calling this the haul view. So we're going to be doing a haul and a review at the same time because I put the makeup that I bought on my face, and as I show you what it is, I'm going to give you a little mini review on the products. So if you like this video and you like this style of haul, view, haul, and review, comment down below and I will continue to do these. Okay, so I didn't just get makeup and I have to slouch for this. It is this headband. This is called the Pink Catacorn headband from I Do Care, and I got this at Ulta, and I can't. Okay, so the first makeup product I got is the L'Oreal Paris Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Lilac Impulse. I have it on right now, and here's a swatch for you. I am obsessed with this color. I'm gonna say obsessed a lot. Obsessed. Formula wise, for a little mini review, there's no patchiness, no creasing, it's staying on, and it's comfortable. For an ultra matte, it's very comfortable, which I appreciate because my lips get very dry and crusty. Okay, so the lipstick and the foundation has been on for about 8 hours now, and the lipstick is still there. I've had salad, I've had a burger, I've drinking 2 water bottles, and I've also had cookies and an apple. And look, is it like off? Yes, but there's still pigment there and it doesn't look horrible. Like, it came off gracefully, especially for $7 at the drugstore. Like, this lipstick, I highly recommend to go try it. To match, I got the NYX Suede Lip Liner in Violet Smoke, and I do have it on right now, but then I did put a little bit of stone liner over top so it's darker than it is. But you guys can see right there is basically the same shade. Now, a little review on these lip liners. I did get another shade. This is the shade Stone Fox, which matches their liquid suede lipstick, and that is right here. I've tried both of these on, and I really like this. I do really enjoy these lip liners. They're not my favorite of the NYX formula. I do like the basic normal ones more, but I don't have anything negative to say about these whatsoever. Like, they're nice. And they're pretty, and I love the colors. Like, they're more unique colors, which I'm all about. I got it. I love this. I mean, this thing's huge. So this is going to be my new, like, toiletry bag, because I love the material. Like, it's not going to get messed up if it gets wet or something spills in it, which is super cool. So if you haven't tried Jeffree's makeup bags, I would really look into them, because they're actually really nice. Like, the zipper, the buckle, everything is, like, really high quality. Like, I'm in it. I replenished on the Morphe Highlight and Contour Sponge. If you're new to my channel, this is the best sponge I've ever used. I love this. I go back to the Real Techniques and the actual Beauty Blender sponge, and I like this more. Like, this is bomb. So there's a little review for you. Get it. Next, I got the NYX Total Control Foundation. Now, for a review, I have it on right now. I hate the applicator. Like, I kept trying to drop it on my skin and it would just be like, neat, or I drop it on my clothes, I ruined my robe. So the applicator is a no-go for me. But the formula, okay, I did not like it when I was putting it on. I was like, because it took a long time to blend, like a long time. Like, I don't know, it was just weird. Because if you put it in, I used the sponge, if you put it on your sponge, like, it just disappears, and then when you try to blend it, it just goes in like dots. It doesn't like spread out. But after all of that, my skin looks beautiful, like beautiful. And I even went to my husband, I said, hey, trying out a foundation, like, what do you think of my skin? And he said my skin looks better than it usually does when I put makeup on. Now, the foundation has not broken apart at all. Like, my blush is still on, my highlight is still on, my contour. It didn't emphasize my pores. I'm a little less matte, but not oily by any means. Like, that's my highlight. Like, this looks really, really pretty. Like, I rate this foundation, I think, like a B+. Like, this is really good. I just didn't like the application process, but once it's on, Now, I don't have these on because I wanted to show you them, but they're the Rouge and Rogue lashes in the shade the style Miss Fury, and oh my gosh, they're so fluffy and they look like layered, like there's like 5 layers of them. Like, oh, this is my favorite lash brand. So if you're looking for some new nice lashes that you can wear over and over that aren't like an insane $30 amount, these are only like $12 and they're good. I finally got my hands on the Benefit Gimme Brow. I got the shade 1, which my eyebrows are a lot darker than shade 1, but I like a more light brow. That's like something I'm noticing. I have it in my brows right now. This is actually the first time that I've used it, and this gave me like the perfect messy, grungy brow, and it literally took me like maybe 2 minutes. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Okay, so my brows, they look the exact same. They have not budged. They literally like bomb. I love the Benefit Gimme Brow. Okay, so this is a little bit of a different like product for my channel, but I got a water backpack. This is so adorable. Like, look how tiny it is. It's so cute. And look at this. I got this at Dolls Kill. What do you know? The brand is called danpack.com. I guess this is specifically made for like festivals and raves. So if you like to go to music festivals or you like to go on hikes, but you still want to look cute, because I mean, I would take this on a hike. I replenished my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You know, I just can't live without it. The Tarte Shape looks stunning over this NYX foundation. I was like, oh, girl, it looks really good over it. I am in the shade Fair Beige, and I love it. I have it on today. It's good. So I caved and I got the Bling Boss palette. Some of you might have seen this on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, you should. I forgot to use this on my eyes like a stitch. I totally like forgot that I had it, so I just did like a black glitter smoky eye. Oh, one thing I will point out, since this is a haul view, I swatched the palette at Ulta, and it was a lot more blendable than the Dark Magic palette. It was a lot more intense, so I definitely think this formula is even better than the Dark Magic palette, which you guys know that I liked. Okay, so I needed a new body wash, and this is the Earth Therapeutics Pro Organic Purifying Body Wash. Deep cleans the skin and purifies the pores. As soon as I saw purifies the pores, I was like, 9. You guys can't tell on camera, but I have like pores on my chest, and I'm like, excuse me? Bye. I love the smell of this, and it says, where does it say it? I'm trying to find it and I can't, but there's no animal testing on this. This is cruelty free, which is super cool. It gives the body like a tingling feeling. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever put like a deep blue rub or like icy hot or anything like that on your skin. This is literally what it feels like. So when I put it on in the morning, my whole body's like, ooh. Okay, so this thing's huge, literally. I didn't realize how big this was going to be, but, you know, I have a lot of makeup, so. This is a makeup case. I'm sure you've seen it, like Desi Perkins has talked about it, etc. So I found some on Amazon for like 30 bucks, and I love it. What's cool is it has a strap in the back, which you can actually connect this to your suitcase. And also has straps here, so you can wear this on your back like a backpack. So the front has a zipper here where you can put your hair products. It has some holes here for, I don't know, whatever you want to put in there. And then it has this guy, which is completely customizable. You can take these in and out. So as you can see here, you can make like a bigger space for your palettes. And then, hold please. Up here it has a strap for all of your brushes. And then a fourth actually, little pouch here. So this thing is the bomb diggity, and I can't wait to use it for my trip. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you next week.